Morning, good morning, guys. You guys miss me? Morning, morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I missed you. How's everyone doing here? What did I miss in the market? I don't feel I missed much other than a bunch of BS with news. But other than that, I don't think I missed much here. And I'm so happy that I took a week off. At least a week off of trading, streaming. I will say streaming because I did trade a little bit last week, but without any stress. I was just okay. If I see a setup, I take it. If I don't see anything, I'm leaving and keep doing my thing. Not watching the chart the entire day, which I needed to go back to that. And yeah, I'm happy to be back, but I'm not eager to trade anything. No, thank you, thank you. How you guys did last week? I think Friday and yesterday was a little bit crazy, right? Or Friday and Thursday. Or all or maybe everything was pre-market or after-market with news, maybe. I don't know. I honestly wasn't watching the market on Thursday and Friday. And yesterday. I did not watch the market yesterday either. Okay, so let's see, what do we have here? So the market was moving with news, right? Okay, so we have these levels here on the queue. Let's see if the queue can break that level. Do we have any data coming up today? Data at 9:45 or at 10? We have a 10? Okay, awesome. Thank you. Okay, so we have the queue reacting this level here. I will say Monday high and Friday low. That's the level to watch today on the queue. And I will say same thing for SPY. Yesterday high and Thursday low. No, Friday low. So yesterday high and Friday low. Yeah. Oh, I forgot the music. I'm happy to be back. The trip was Vegas was crazy. I had so much fun, but I'm so tired. I slept yesterday all day and I'm still pretty tired. I think I'm gonna need like a week to go back to myself after this vacation. After Vegas, it was so much fun. I tried I was making a vlog, well, a film as much as I could, because in Vegas there's a lot of places that you're not allowed to record anything. Like when I was playing roulette or the dice, basically on the casinos you cannot film anything, you cannot use your phone. Also on some nightclubs. So on the vlog that I'm gonna post maybe next week, you guys are gonna see me eating a lot. You guys are gonna see me eating a lot. Which casino? So I was staying, we were staying on the Wind Encore, which I love it. But yeah, I played a lot there. I went to the Caesars one day on the Caesars, the other day on the Aria, which I really like that hotel, and another day on the Palazzo. What was the other one? The Caesars was crazy. It was so packed, so packed. And I really like the Omnia nightclub there. I think next time I might stay on the Caesars. It's a little more crazy, a lot more crowded. I think I like more the Wind Encore, but the Caesar is like more like for younger people. Did I win? I will say I ended up flat, but for me it's a win because you drink free. Like when you're playing at the casino, you're spending money there, you drink for free and you have fun with everyone is like super happy to be playing and spending their money. I love playing the roulette. So for me, yeah, break even it's green, definitely. I think at the end I made like $500, but yeah, I will say break even. Oh, also the Caesar buffet, it's amazing. I think it's the best one. I went to the Cirque du Soleil O. That's the water show. Pretty good. I also watched the Awakening, which is the one that is on the wind. Also, it's pretty good. Also. I went to the Fontainebleau. It's a new one. Their bar, it's pretty cool. I don't know how to pool there because all pools were closed because it was freezing. It wasn't freezing, it was kind of cold. Yeah, it was cold. So pools were closed. I'm planning on going back on summer for pool parties. Yeah, I love Vegas. I think it's my favorite city here in the States. I like Vegas more than New York. Hey, Julian. Oh, and if you guys go to Vegas and you like Mexican food, you gotta go to Tacos El Gordo. Oh my god, it is the best Mexican food I think I ever tried ever. It was so good. You guys are gonna see it on the vlog. I always play roulette. I love playing roulette, but I learned to play dice, and it was pretty fun also. I lost my money there on dice, but my first date I won like 3K playing roulette. It's called Tacos El Gordo. It's amazing. Or El Gordo Tacos. Have you guys been to Tacos Número Uno in New York? It's kind of like that, but even better. I'm gonna wait for data, but I like what I'm seeing here on the queue. I would love to see it like breaking these, I would say, Friday's low and use it as support, but I do like how the queue is looking there. It's holding pretty good. IWM also holding the VWAP. I think IWM could be very interesting if it goes higher and rejects yesterday high. Okay, 10 more minutes for data. The queue looks eager to go. It's Apple. Apple is bouncing pretty nice. How was Apple earnings? I don't think I either checked that. I was pretty disconnected from the market, I will say, which I think I needed that. Oh yeah, definitely. It was so good. The food was so good. I'm gonna say everything tacos al pastor, everything al pastor, which is pork. It was pretty good. I tried the tacos. I tried the quesadilla al pastor. My favorite one is the mula, which is a new thing for me. I never tried out one before. The mula, let me see if I can. This is a mula. It has tortilla at the bottom, tortilla at the top. It was so good. Yep. Yeah, everything al pastor, I love it. Taco carnitas was pretty good too. It was amazing. You can pretty much pick anything and it was pretty good. Okay. Okay, so we have so far the queue reacting here. Wait for me. Wait for data. Nice bounce on IWM and Nvidia. I don't want to see the queue going crazy here with data without me. Five more minutes for data. I went to a Korean barbecue also. The name was, let me check. It was pretty good also. Wado, I think it's the name. Yeah, Wado 2 or however you want to pronounce that. I don't know how to pronounce that. This one here. We drank soju. We ate a lot of barbecue. Yeah, this one. Yep, this one here. It was pretty good too. I ate like crazy on this trip. I think everything that you're gonna see on my vlog is me eating. Ooh, Microsoft yesterday low hold is pretty important here. It's a big level for Microsoft. Everything looks eager to boom boom. Yeah, I know. I do enjoy a lot of eating. I don't know if I'll enjoy eating if I had a job that is all about eating. But I do eat a lot. That's why I need to work out a lot. see. I know Palantir went crazy, right? Yeah. With earnings? It had earnings yesterday. Oh, yeah. So Palantir is gonna be a big watch for me this week. I'm gonna give it like a day or two so it can kinda settle down. Maybe consolidate at a and give us at least a support and resistance, because it's way above previous all-time high, so we don't have any levels here. Maybe you can trade it watching pre-market high and lows, but still. I always like to give it a day or two to any stock that it has a huge move with earnings. Yeah. And I'm going to New York City also in a week and a half. And also you guys all are gonna see me eating there. Okay, so the queue is going without me. Before data, we have 1 more minute for data. Crown Strike came back to life. I thought I was gonna have to sell Crown Strike for a lose, but it's back. I'm glad that I bought those contracts with 2 weeks out. Okay, so we have SPY here at resistance 600. We had everything tech looking pretty strong right now. Nvidia, Amazon, Microsoft is holding. Ooh, beautiful reaction here on IWM. I don't know if it's pulling back enough. I don't know. It's gonna depend on the market. What I see is holding support. That's what I see. What I see is this market gonna be pretty difficult to swing trade, because it's moving based on news. Nvidia pretty strong so far. I really like this Microsoft hold. So the queue moved without me before data. So now I'm watching in SPY here. The market is moving very slow. It's weird. I think it moved more before data than now. Also watching IWM yesterday high. Let's see if it's gonna reject there or not. Pretty nice Nvidia move today so far. 117, really good support there. 117, 116. Oh yeah, SMCI earnings are coming. Palantir pull back to the VWAP could be a good entry here. Could be a flag. Definitely a flag play. I kind of want to play a reaction here on ES and SPY, but I don't know. The market is moving super slow. Pretty weird. How is the IV for Palantir? By the way, the Joseph Valentine guy, the meme coin that I talk about for Valentine's is going crazy right now. It's not going crazy, but it's moving higher and it's crazy cheap. I'm up already 50%, and I think this thing it's just about to getting started. So I think it's still early to buy. Man, look at the Q. $97% the Palantir IV. No, Nasdaq is Nasdaq, SQ is SQ, SPY is SPY. One is tech, the other one is the overall market. Come on, you should know that if you're trading, that's like everyone that wants to trade or is trading should know that. That is extremely basic knowledge of the market. Okay, so we have IWM right at resistance. We have SPY also. The Q looking crazy bullish. Sadly, the Q here moved before data. I wanted to play this level here. I like this rejection here. I just want to see a 30-minute candle looking a little bit less bullish. What was that? What was that? What's going on? Do we have Trump talking right now? I like that reaction here. Hey, thank you. I kind of want to see SPY here going a little bit higher and rejecting 601 again. I needed a little vacation from the stream. Whenever the market is a little bit difficult to trade, I kind of prefer to trade on my own because it's less stressful that way. And basically, watching the market, but if I see something, I take it, and then if I don't like how the market is moving, I just don't take anything. I don't feel pressure to take trades when I'm trading on my own. I'm going short here on IWM. My stop loss is 226. If can hold 226 as support, I'm getting out of that trade. I'm doing pretty good. I'm still tired from my trip, but I'm feeling good. I'm watching 601 here on SPY and 226 on IWM. So far it's looking strong still. You have the answer here on the chat. Okay, so this is a level for a spy. If this level act as support, crazy bullish. If not, it reject, and most likely we're gonna go back down to 595 or 590. We want to see a 30-minute candle here that it looks bearish. Palantir pulling back to the VWAP. Oh yeah, watch that, guys. If it can hold this level, that's your entry. If it goes under the VWAP, I wouldn't touch it. Yeah, this is Palantir. And this is what I'm trading on IWM. Basically, this is Friday's low. Possible reaction player. Okay, I like this 30-minute candle here on SPY. Okay, we're looking good. We're looking pretty good now. Do I want to scalp these and just get out of my entire position, or do I hold for more? Decisions. I definitely like this 226 reaction here on IWM, and I like this 601 reaction on SPY. But I don't know if I trust technical analysis on this market. Nice VWAP hold so far on Palantir. Apple is still looking pretty strong. Same thing with Amazon. Microsoft not doing much. Nvidia looks like it wants to pull back to the VWAP at least. I'm gonna wait and see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close here on SPY. I think we could have definitely a pullback here to the VWAP. But I don't like trading when the market is so slow, because I feel we have very slow candlesticks and then we have a big move out of nowhere. It's just weird. Okay, IWM looking weaker than SPY in the queue, which definitely like that. So if we have a strong rejection here on SPY, IWM looks like it's gonna die. I'm selling one here. Just in case we have a crazy gamble. So far, I really like this reaction here on IWM. For SPY and the Q, definitely looking bullish. Looks like it's flagging. Microsoft is waking up. Nvidia is holding pretty good. Apple crazy strong. Amazon right now is rejecting all-time high. Anyone on Microsoft? That 410 hold was very, very clean. Come on, give me a pullback to the VWAP. That is an ugly, ugly 30-minute candle on SPY. That is exactly what I want to see. But I don't like when the market moves this slow. Like, I don't trust it. But so far, our trade is looking pretty good. Oh, these are Apex accounts, not Tradeify. But my main accounts are with Tradeify, but these ones are Apex. I think Apex right now has 80% off. Yeah. Okay, I don't like that candles. I'm all out, guys. I'm super happy with this one. Yeah. All out and green. And I'm done. That was a beautiful trade. I don't like how the market is moving crazy slow. Like I said, I don't trust technicals when we have a market that is moving based on news. So I'm happy with this. And I'm gonna take it easy, so I'm done. I'm done. Can it keep going lower? IWM, yes, it looks like it wants more downside, but again, I don't trust this market. This low ass market. So this is what I made today. A little bit under 15,000. And happy. Ooh, IWM, I'm sorry, Palantir, not looking good. IWM still looks pretty weak. I still really like this reaction here on SPY, but I don't like when you have a reaction, like when you have a stock holding like this so close to resistance, it's not super bearish. So I think SPY can definitely go to either side here. In fact, most of the time when I see something like this, I'm more bullish than bearish when you have consolidation right under resistance. But again, I don't trust this market. So I don't trust technical analysis on this market. Is it me or is the market moving pretty weird today? Nvidia gap? Oh yeah, but right now it's too far from the gap. Should we try Microsoft here? I really like Microsoft. I think it could definitely move to 422, 424. We could have a bounce there. Palantir is kind of choppy. But like I said before, whenever you have a stock with a big move after earning, the way that I trade is I like to give it like at least 1 or 2 days so it can give me like clear support and resistance levels. And I want to see it consolidating. Guys, I'm done for today. Like, I'm super happy with my trade. One trade and done. I don't want to keep watching the market because I don't want to take any other trade, and I don't like how the market is moving. I do love Microsoft. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing there. This Microsoft level is it's a big deal. It's pretty important. So see how in the past this level was crazy important for Microsoft, and today is bouncing out of that level. Most likely we see it going to this resistance, but first needs to break yesterday high. Yeah, yesterday high needs to break yesterday high. If can really break yesterday high and use it as support, the next one I will say is this 423, 424 level. So Microsoft, I really like it. I like how the held here kind of consolidated. Now it's going for it. If you're not on this one already, I will say just wait until it breaks yesterday high and use it as support. So yeah, I think it will be more of a safe bet waiting for yesterday high to hold. Let's go through some charts. Apple is looking pretty good. The entry was the break of morning high, pre-market high, I will say, 118. That was the entry on Apple. Yes, it looks like it's consolidating with a bull flag, so it definitely looks pretty bullish. What else? Oh, Amazon is right at all-time high, so pretty important level here. Let's put it here. You can really hold this level as support. That's your play. I think SPY, if can hold 601 as support, most likely we're gonna see a move to 605 and then 608 or 607. So 601 here, this is very important level for SPY. I will say exactly is Friday's low here. So basically, SPY went up, filled the gap that it had here from today's open till Friday's close. I'm sorry, from Friday's close till Monday open, it had a gap here, and now it's kind of trying to see if it's gonna break that level or not. So that's the level to watch here on SPY. If SPY can really break this level and use it as support, the Q is gonna fly, because the Q, it's been looking definitely stronger than SPY. So I think the market is gonna go boom boom. Let's see Google. It's too late to enter. Yeah, it's too late to enter. The entry was on the retest here, but these Google candlesticks are pretty weird. Look at a bunch of wicks at the top and at the bottom, but keeps going higher. I don't like how Google is moving. Oh, and it has earnings this week. Oh, today. So why are you gonna play Google? Like, why would you try to play Google when it has earnings today? No reason to even watch this chart. What else? What is Bitcoin doing? Let's see. Nothing. Ooh, this was a nice bounce here on Bitcoin. That was perfect bounce out of support. Look at this crazy move here. Palantir. Do we have more gaps down? Yeah, small ones. And definitely, I'm gonna put a alert here. I wanna see if Palantir, whenever Palantir goes down and fill this gap, I wanna play that gap. No, you know what I wanna play? I don't wanna play that gap. I wanna play a gap close reversal. That is, if it goes down and fill the gap, I wanna play a bounce here. That's a gap close reversal. So basically, we want to see Palantir filling that gap and then hold it in a support, and that's when I'm gonna enter and play the upside here. I definitely don't think that's gonna happen this week. Right now, it's doing nothing. It's going over and under pre-market high and the VWAP. So, like I said before, I will definitely wait 1 or 2 days and see what's the real, I will say, what's gonna be the next move. And we know that basically watching a new, because it's at making a new all-time high, we need to wait and see what's gonna be the next main support and resistance here. We want to see consolidation, and most likely we're gonna see an upside continuation, but first it needs to consolidate. Let's see, Netflix, not doing much. See, Netflix had a huge move because of earnings, and then it's been consolidating for like a week. and it looks like it wants to keep going the same move that it did after the earnings. So the earnings were pretty bullish, and then you have a lot of consolidation. Now looks like it wants to keep going to the upside. We'll see. Let's see Tesla. What Tesla is doing? Nothing. This is super choppy. Not doing anything. Let's see Broadcom. Broadcom is so weird because it has gaps everywhere. Like, look at these candlesticks here. Will you trade this? I wouldn't. Why would I want to trade something that is looking so weird, that it has big gaps above, big gaps below, doesn't have a clean direction, doesn't have a clean trend? We can definitely trade better charts than this one. Yes, it looks like it wants to go higher here, holding this level here, but I don't love this chart. I would definitely go with something that it looks way easier, like Microsoft. This image. I don't love this chart either. CRM. Not much happening here. Crown Strike. I still like this hold here, but it's super choppy. But I guess it's because the market is choppy. D-Dog. I still like this one. I think as long as D-Dog is holding above 134, 135, I think it's pretty bullish. I definitely like this possible uptrend here. Let's see if it's gonna move to 151 and 150. That would be a nice move here. But yeah, I don't love anything. I don't like how the market is moving, so I'm done. SPY is still reacting here. But we're not having any continuation to the downside. We have reaction candlestick on the 30-minute time frame, but also pretty bullish candlesticks holding this little support here, 600. So yeah, what else? Let's see coin. What coin is doing? Not much. I do like this support hold here, but it's not doing much. Previous close on ES. Let's see. Not really. Like, I see resistance here. This is why I don't really watch SPY and ES. So we have resistance here. It's exactly the same chart like here on SPY. Like, what's the difference? I don't see any difference here. It had the same, it's at resistance just like SPY. So it's exactly the same thing. Nice bounce here out of support. Well, yeah, it's right at resistance, just like SPY. Not much to do here. But is this candlestick bullish or bearish? Pretty bullish so far, but it's too early to say that because it's the daily candlestick. But oh my god, if I look at the entire chart, this is crazy choppy. Especially last week and to this week. Look at this. We have no trend. Just pinpoint, pinpoint, pim, pum, pam, pum, pam. No real trend. Not doing much here. So yeah, guys, I'm done. I don't want to keep watching this thing doing nothing. nothing at all. So thank you for being here. I'm glad to be back. Super happy that we had one good trade and we're done with this, or at least I'm done with this BS. I hate when the market moves with news because we have this. I'll see you guys mañana. Remember to like the video.